and that's a conference in itself, isn't it? When you're talking about the challenges of gene therapy development, especially in rare disease. You know, it's funny too, because we always look at rare disease as sort of this very small subset of care, but really, you know, I think 1 out of every 10 people have a rare disease. There's over 7,000 have been identified, and only a small percentage of them have therapies, and 95% of rare diseases don't have any approved therapies. So I think that's why I think it's become quite a worthy target to look at, even though these are individually small populations. So the challenges has been, one is really that. How do you evaluate, look at natural history in a very small population? How do you create a preclinical model to actually show you have efficacy before you can go into any sort of clinical trial to start evaluating in humans and satisfy the FDA? So I think, you know, one of the things we all strive for is creating that standardization of really, you know, what can a preclinical model look like? Can we use natural history as a comparator rather than doing placebo groups? Because like I just mentioned in Krabbe, these are very deadly diseases and be very hard to do placebo, sometimes fully controlled studies. And then I think it comes up to then manufacturing and the complexities of gene therapy. I think, well, I'll touch on a bit of this tomorrow, but you know, these are very complex processes, and they're sometimes specialized to that disease specific gene target. In the world of cell therapy, sometimes they're autologous therapies, so it's really specific to even a patient. So it's the technologies, and I see them growing. There actually, a lot of them are highlighted here at the conference today. And automated closed systems scale up. Can we actually create enough dose per patient, you know, and create it in a very economical and cost-effective way? These are the challenges that I see working through now, and some of the modern CDMOs, including Forge, have worked on and building out additional scale-up in order to meet those needs. Really, the advancements in manufacturing, I think, will move along the rare disease cause, because you can now actually create these at scale and make it economical.